Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Ncert Maths with Bardeep. Today we are going to start exercise number 3.1 of chapter 3, that is pair of linear equations in two variables of grade 10. So first question is, Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also, 3 years from now, means after 3 years, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Isn't this interesting? Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. So now what is the meaning of this algebraically and graphically? That means we will interpret this word problem and frame equations depending upon our given conditions. So that is representing the situation algebraically, and then whatever equation we have made, we will complete one table for each equation and plot those equations in the form of straight line. So plotting the graph corresponding to each equation is representing graphically, and framing equations itself is algebraically. So let's start the question. So now we have two persons, Aftab and his daughter. Let their ages be x and y here. Let Aftab's present age, because we have given conditions that is few years ago and few years later. So present age we will assume Aftab's present age be x years and his daughter's present age as y years. Okay, so now let's understand this. 7 years ago. Okay, so if present age is x years, what is the age 7 years ago? This will be x minus 7 for Aftab, and for daughter, again, if present age is y, before 7 years it will be y minus 7. So one age is x minus 7 and second is y minus 7. So now let's see how they are related. I was 7 times as old as you, means father is 7 times as old as his daughter. So it is 7 times y minus 7. So let's open this. X minus 7 equals to 7y minus 49. Okay. So take variable on one side and numbers on the other side. So x minus 7y equals to minus 42 is my one equation. Clear? Let's see the second situation. 3 years from now, if present age is x, 3 years from now will be x plus 3. Okay, and if daughter's present age is y, 3 years from now she will be y plus 3 years old. So again, father is x plus 3, daughter is y plus 3. So now let's equate them. I will be 3 times as old as you. So again, father is saying that I will be 3 times of your age. So again, open this and frame second equation. So this is 3y plus 9. Take variables on one side and numbers on the other side. So this plus y will be minus 3y and this is 9 minus 3. So x minus 3y equals to 6 is my second equation. So this is the solution of representing your situation algebraically. So now what should be my second step? I'll make table, I'll put certain values of x and find the corresponding values of y so that I can plot their graph. So let's make table. X, y, and you can minimum 2 points you should frame, more as many as you want. Okay, so first equation is x minus 7y. So always write equation above that table so that we should know that this table belongs to which equation. So again, second table, equation is x minus 3y equals to 6. So now let's complete these tables. For first equation, x minus 7y minus 42. So let it be put x as 0. So minus 7y minus 42. So y is equal to minus 42 over minus 7 is 6. So what is my first point? X is 0, y is 6. Right? So now I have seen here that it is this 42 or right hand side should be divisible by 7. So I will take the next multiple. I will put x as 7 itself. So this is now 7 minus 7y equals to minus 42. This 7 will go to other side. So since here it is plus, it will be minus here. So minus 49. Then what is y? So minus 49 by minus 7. So minus minus is also cancelled. So x is 7, then y is also 7. Okay, if you want, you can find the third point also. I am not going to find. So let's see our second equation, that is x minus 3y equals to 6. Again put x as 0. So 0 minus 3y equals to 6 and minus 3y equals to 6. So y is equals to 6 over minus 3 as minus 2. Okay. So here it is x as 0, y as minus 2. So again here divided by 3. So next possible multiple is either you can take 3 or 6, whatever you want. Suppose we are taking x as 3. So 3 minus 3y equals to 6. That means minus 3y is equals to 6y. Sorry. This 3 will go to other side. This is 6 minus 3. So this is 3 only. So minus 3y equals to 3 and y is equal to 3 over minus 3. So this is equal to minus 1. Okay. So if x is 3, y is minus 1. So now tables are completed. So let's plot them on a graph. So now let's plot the graph for these equations. So for first equation, point is 0 and 6. So x is 0, y is 6. So this is the first point. Second is 7, 7. So x is 7, y is also 7. Something like this. Okay, and join these 2 points and extend it further. Write equation above that, that is minus 42. Okay, so now our second equation is, so coordinates are 0, minus 2. For 0, y is minus 2, this point. Then for 3, it is minus 1. So this thing. Again we will join and extend them. Something like this. Okay, write equation on above. So this is representing the situation graphically. Okay, so now I hope you understand what is the meaning of representing your situation algebraically and graphically. I repeat, for algebraically we should understand our given problem, and depending on the given conditions we will frame equations. Okay, so whatever equations, they have not told us to solve them, just frame equations. And graphically means from those equations we will make this table and then plot the graph of both equations. So we should get 2 different straight lines. So I hope first question is clear to you. Now let's see the second one. So second question is, the coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for 3,900 rupees. Later she buys another bat, that means 1 more bat, and 3 more balls of the same kind for rupees 1,300. So represent this situation algebraically and geometrically. So same thing means we need to interpret this word problem and frame equations first, that is algebraically, and then from that equations we will make their graph. So let's start. Now 2 things are there, that is bats and ball. So we will assume the price of 1 bat as rupees x and one ball as rupees Y. So we will write, let price of one bat is rupees X and price of one ball as rupees Y. So now what is condition? 3 bats. So what is the price of 3 bats? It will be 3x and 6 balls, so 6y, and together its value is 3900. Right? Let's see the second condition. She buys another bat, means one bat, so only x rupees she has to pay more, but 3 more balls, so 3 times y should be equal to 1300. Right? So these two are the equations. First part is done, that is algebraically these are the equations. Second thing is geometrically. So let's make the table for each equation. First write the equation. This is 3x plus 6y is equal to 3900. So here we will make a table. We will put one value of x and find the corresponding value of y. Similarly for second, this is x plus 3y equals to 1300, and we will make a second table. Okay? So let's take our first value. We know that everything is in multiple of 3. So directly put 100 because we need bigger numbers. So put x equals to 100. So here it is 3 into 100 plus 6 into y is 3900. Then what is 6y? This is 3900 minus 300. This is 3600. Okay. So y is 3600 over 6. So this is 600. Because we need at the end multiples of 6. So 600 here. So if x is 0, y is 600. Right? Second is see, I can put x as 200 or 300. So next multiple possible is 3000. So I need 3000. So here I should subtract 900. So 3 into 300 is 900. This is your own calculations. You can do your own way. So 3 into 300 plus 6y is equal to 3900. So 6y is 3900. 3 into 300 is 900. So minus 900. And what is 6y then? 3000. So value of y is 3000 divided by 6. That means 500. Okay. So if x is 300, y is 500. So if I want some another value, let it be, I am taking any random value, that is 700. So 3 into 700 plus 6y equals to 3900. So 6y is equal to 3900 minus 2100. So this is 9 minus 1 is 8, 1800. Okay. Then what is the value of y? This is 1800 divided by 6, that is 300. So my third point is, if this is 700, this is 300. So first table is completed. Now let's move on to the second one. Here also we can see, second is x plus 3y equals to 1300. So I can see here it is 3y, so I need multiples of 3. So if I put 100, 1300 minus 100 will be 1200. So let's start with x as 100 again. So 100 plus 3y is equal to 1300. So 3y is equals to 1300 minus 100 as 1200. So what is y? That is 1200 by 3, 400. So my first point is 100 and 400. So second thing I need is next multiple. So I'll put multiples here also. So I need next as 9. So 9 means 4 I should minus. So I'll put x as 400 because 400 when subtracted from 1300 will give me 900. So 1300 minus 400 as 900. Okay, and then what is y? This is 900 by 3 as 300. Correct? So here it is what 400 and y is 300. So then I need next multiple. So I want x as 700 again. So 700 plus 3y is 1300. What is 3y then? 1300 minus 700 as 600. So if 3y is 600, what is y? 600 divided by 3, 200. So these are the tables. Now let's make their graph. So now let's make their graph. For the first equation, we will plot these points, that is 100, 600. So this will be the point. Second is for 300, y is 500. So this is 300 and y is 500. Third point is 700. So this is x as 700 and y as 300. So somewhere here. Okay, so these 3 points, let's join them. Sorry, this is not a straight line. So we will write the equation here. Okay, second thing is 100 and 400. For second equation, 100 and 400. So somewhere here. For 400, this is 300. So for 400, 300, this point. And for 700, this is 200. For 700, this is 200. So here. So this is a straight line for second equation. Okay. So I hope this is also clear how to draw a graph on the basis of the equations that we have framed from our word problem. So this is our second question. Now let's see the next one. Third question is the cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes. So two things are given, apples and grapes. On the day was found to be rupees 160. After a month, the cost of 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes is 300 rupees. So again, represent this situation algebraically and geometrically. So let's frame the equations. So we can see two different things, that is apples and grapes. So their prices are given to us. So we can see 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes, means let's assume the price of 1 kg each. Okay. So let cost of 1 kg apple is equal to rupees x. Cost of 1 kg grapes equals to rupees y. So now let's frame the equation. 2 kg of apples, so means I have to pay 2x, and 1 kg of grapes means only y. Together this is 160. So this is my first equation. Second is the cost of 4 kg of apples. So now I have to pay 4 times of x, and 2 kg of grapes means 2 times of y, and this is equal to 300. Okay. So this is how we will frame equations, that is algebraic part is done. So now let's first make their tables to plot their graph. So as you already know, we will make one table for one equation. We'll put some values of x and find the values of y. But we should mention which equation is this. 2x plus y equals to 160. Second equation is 4x plus 2y is 300. Now we will complete this table. So let's start the first one. This is 2x plus y equals to 160. Here y is without any coefficient, so I'll put y as 0 first. So 2x is equal to 160 and x is 160 divided by 2. This is 80. So x is 80 and y is 0. So this is my first point. Now I need another multiple of 2. Suppose I am putting y as 40. Then it is 2x plus 40 equals to 160. Here you are free to use any values. So 2x is equal to 160 minus 40. This is 120. Right? And then what is x? 120 by 2, that is 60. So x is 60 and y is 40. So if you want, you can find another value. So I am not going to find. So let's see the second equation. Again, here we have multiples of 4 or multiples of 2. So take any value. Suppose I am taking y as 30. So 4x plus 2 into 30 equals to 300. So 4x is equal to 300 minus 60. So this is 240. And then what is x? 240 divided by 4 means 60. So x is 60 and y is 30. Okay. So this is my first point. Next value, let's put y as 70. So I am telling again and again, you are free to use any random values, but make sure that you should get a number without decimal. So 4x is equal to 300 minus 140. So this is 160. And x is 160 divided by 4. This is 40. So x is 40 and y is 70. So tables are ready. Now let's make their graph. So let's plot the graph of two equations. First point is 80 and 0. So x is 80, y is 0. So means this point. Second, x is 60 and y is 40. So this intersection point. So this equation will be something like this. Okay, so this is a straight line for this equation, that is 2x plus y equals to 160. So don't forget to write equation. Okay. Second is x 60 and y 30. X is 60, y is 30. So somewhere here. Then it is x is 40. Okay, and y is 70. So corresponding to this, somewhere here. So let's join them. Okay, and this is 4x plus 2y equals to 300. Right? So this is how we will plot the graph when we have made the table from the given equations. So with this question, our exercise number 3.1 is over. I hope you now understand how to frame equations from your word problems, and if we need to make the graph, then also we have done how to make first table and then plot the graph. If you like my teaching, please subscribe to my channel. This is all about this video. See you in my next video with the next exercise of this chapter. Thank you.